Dear children, welcome to 12th Mathematics. Today we are going to learn how to find the principal value for inverse trigonometric functions when we are having this type of questions. See, in previous video we have studied about all these 6 trigonometric functions, but these values were positive. So now we will study how to find when these values are negative. See, very important, because in this type of questions students are having confusions. So let us solve all these 6 questions one by one. Let us see first question. We have to find principal value for sine inverse minus 1 by 2. Dear children, as before we will suppose this sine inverse minus 1 by 2 is equal to y. Then sin y is equal to minus 1 by 2. Remember, sin y is equal to this minus will be as it is, and in place of 1 by 2 you will write the value in terms of this sign. So minus is as it is. In every question will be solved like this. In every question you will be solving like this. This minus as it is, and for 1 by 2 you write the value here. Okay, minus sine pi by 6. Now sin y is equal to this here. Very important thing what you have to learn. Very important thing in this type of questions. See, if you have to find this type of questions to find principal value, please remember these 6 things. Please remember these 3 things. All these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things. And if you remember this, there will be no problem at all in solving this type of questions. See, so what is these 6 things? If it is minus sine theta, then put sine minus theta. Please, if you get minus sine theta, then you write sine minus theta. If you get minus tan theta, write tan minus theta. If you get minus cosec theta, write cosec minus theta. But if you get minus cos theta, then you have to put cos pi minus theta. Remember these things and keep it handy. Write at one place. You make a page and put it before you for practicing questions, and after some time you will be having mastery over this. If it is minus sec theta, then put sec pi minus theta. If it is minus cot theta, put cot pi minus theta. And why we have this? We have the logic. Dear children, why you can put sine minus theta here? Because the principal value branch for sine inverse is this. So theta can be negative. Here also see, theta can be negative. Here theta can be negative. And here we are not writing that one, because why we are using this? Because the principal value branches lies here. See this. So we will always use these things. All these 6. You must write it down on a paper and keep it yours in front of you. So coming to the question. See, dear children, I told you when you get minus sine theta, you have to put sine minus theta. So here it is minus sine theta. So we will put sine minus theta. And when you are getting this, you can write y is equal to minus pi by 6. So what is y? Y you have supposed sine inverse minus 1 by 2. So sine inverse minus 1 by 2 will be equal to minus pi by 6. And this is the answer. Now coming to second question. Second question was cos inverse minus 1 by 2. You have to find the principal value. Find the principal value for this. So first we will suppose this is equal to y. In all questions like this, let cos inverse minus 1 by 2 is equal to y. Cos y is equal to minus 1 by 2. Cos y is equal to minus, this minus will be as it is, and this for 1 by 2, you write here the value for this cos. So minus cos pi by 3. This we have studied in 10th class. After that, this is cos y is equal to cos c. Pi minus pi by 3. Why we are putting c? It is cos. So where it is minus cos c here. Minus cos theta, then you have to write cos pi minus theta. Cos y is equal to cos 2 pi minus 3. Then y is equal to 2 pi by 3. Cos inverse 1 by 2 is equal to 2 pi by 3. This is the answer because y is this one. Now coming to third question. See this third question. Let tan inverse minus 1 is equal to y, because question was tan inverse minus 1. So tan inverse minus 1 is equal to y. Let tan y is equal to minus 1. Tan y is equal to minus as it is, and for 1 you will put the value. From 10th class we know this. Minus 10 pi by 4. Now tan y is equal to tan minus pi by 4. Why you have written like this? See this, I told you. If it is minus tan theta, you have to put tan minus theta. So we have put here minus tan pi by 4 is equal to tan minus pi by 4. So I have put all in all questions in red color rectangle, so that you must see here. Here only it is the turning point in this question. Here you must be confident and you must be feeling very easy, then only you can solve. So y is equal to minus pi by 4, and y is nothing but tan inverse minus 1. So tan inverse minus 1 is equal to minus pi by 4. Going for question number 4. Sec inverse minus 2, we have to find principal value. Let it is y. So sec y is equal to minus 2. Sec y is equal to minus, this minus will be as it is in all questions, as it is, and then put the value for this in this, in terms of sec. So minus, and this is sec pi by 3. After that, see again, I told you 6 things you have to remember. So minus sec, where it is this? See this. Minus sec theta, you have to put sec pi minus theta. So you have to put minus sec theta, sec pi minus theta. So pi minus pi by 3. So sec y we are getting sec 2 pi by 3. And then y is equal to 2 pi by 3, and y is nothing but sec inverse minus 2. So sec inverse minus 2 is equal to 2 pi by 3. I think it is clear. Now coming to our fifth question, we have to find principal value for cosec inverse minus 2 by root 3. Suppose this is y, then cosec y is equal to minus 2 by root 3. Cosec y is equal to minus as it is, and 2 by root 3 you have to write the value cosec pi by 3. Again minus, it is coming minus cosec theta. Minus cosec theta, see this, minus cosec theta, cosec minus theta. So minus cosec theta, we can put under red rectangle to highlight this. There we have to be very, very careful here. Now cosec y is equal to minus cosec pi by 3. So you can put here also. This is the original thing. Here we have to be very careful. So cosec y is equal to here it was cosec y is equal to minus cosec pi by 3. Here cosec y is equal to cosec minus pi by 3, as we have seen before. So y is equal to minus pi by 3, and y is nothing but cosec inverse minus 2 by root 3. So cosec inverse minus 2 by root 3 is equal to minus pi by 3. This is the answer. Now coming for sixth question. Sixth question was for cot. Cot inverse minus root 3, we have to find the principal value for this one. Let cot inverse minus root 3 is equal to y. Then cot y is equal to minus root 3. Cot y is equal to minus as it is, and root 3 you have to write value root 3. Cot pi by 6. Now Again we will see for minus cot theta. This is minus cot theta. Minus cot theta. You have to put cot pi minus theta. Always remember these 6 things, please. For negative, if you are getting like this, then you have to follow this, and you will be having 100% correctness. Now see, cot y is equal to cot 5 pi by 6. So y is equal to 5 pi by 6. Cot inverse minus root 3 is equal to 5 pi by 6, and this is your answer. Dear children, I want to make one thing very clear. See, remember this. Remember, and see the two branches here. Minus sin theta, sin minus theta, minus tan theta, tan minus theta, minus cosec theta you will put, cosec minus theta, and for this here cos sec cot, what we have getting, minus cos theta is equal to cos pi minus theta you will put, minus sin minus sec theta you will have sec pi minus theta, minus cot theta, cot pi minus theta. The same thing I have made here in two branches and here in column. You have to write like this. And remember one thing, see this. For cos inverse, sec inverse and cot inverse, see, remember, principal value cannot be negative. See, answer cannot be negative. Once again, for cos inverse, sec inverse and cot inverse, if you are getting the answer, it is never negative. All the best. Practice these questions, and after this there is a very easy method to solve these problems again, but that is for 1 mark, and this we are solving in detail. Here the steps are a little 2, 3, 4 steps we are solving. This is for 2 marks, but if it is coming for 1 mark, in the next video we will be solving it in fraction of seconds. By seeing the question you can solve, and that is see, this will be solving later on by using these formulas. Cosec inverse cos theta is equal to theta, sec inverse sec theta is equal to theta, cot inverse cot theta is equal to theta, sin inverse sin theta is equal to theta, cos inverse cos theta is equal to theta, tan inverse tan theta is equal to theta. And by using this formula we can solve these problems, all these problems within seconds. But when it is coming for 2 marks, you have to follow this process. Please keep in mind. If you have to solve for 2 marks, you have to solve in detail like this. But if you have to solve in short, using this formula, like this, sin inverse sin theta is equal to theta. But I haven't come across this formula till now. So after this video, we will be solving using this, and this is very less time consuming. Here you have to write more steps, but here it is very less step, and without writing also you can write the answer of many questions without writing also. Okay, all the best. Practice it and see the video 2-3 times, and you will be confident. Thank you. All the best.